Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about a couple bugs I found with the Samsung Galaxy S3. The first is a bug with the navigation, and you guys can let me know in the comments if you've seen this as well, but if I try and navigate somewhere, and I pick the location, and I say go, and the navigation starts, what ends up happening is if I try and pan around, it gets very jerky and it actually becomes unusable, and I have to quit my navigation. And unfortunately I can't display it while while we're here standing still because it doesn't do it. But if I were to do this while the car is in motion, the Maps program just freaks out and gets all shaky and jerky and actually is unusable, and I have to quit my navigation. So if I stay with the vehicle, navigation works fine, but at the moment I do this and start moving around, it gets all weird. And maybe Samsung will fix that with an update, but for right now, that's a bug that's worth noting. The other bug that's worth noting is with Google Voice. Let me just quit this real quick. With Google Voice, if I try and make a call with Google Voice, it doesn't work. And so I use Google Voice all the time. I use it for my texting, I use it for my calls. Any calls I try and make on Google Voice just fail. So if I say call, it doesn't call, which is annoying. And if I go, to my settings, and then go here, make the change to make no calls, and then go to the call, it'll call. So it's sort of bizarre that Google Voice is somehow interrupting the operating system and failing. I mean, Google Voice has been around forever, so not sure what's going on with that. But if Samsung can fix those two bugs, or if Google can fix those two bugs, or whoever, I don't know if it's Google for Google Voice and Google for Maps, or Samsung for Maps, I don't know. But those two bugs taken care of, the phone's pretty solid. In general, it is pretty stable, pretty great phone. So check my other videos for different reviews of other phones, and thanks.